प्रोडक्ट्स की जरूरत हमारे को बाद में है, लेकिन उससे पहले हमें हेल्थ कॉन्शियस बनना बहुत जरूरी है, बिकॉज अप टिल अनलेस वी विल नॉट बिकम हेल्थ कॉन्शियस, वी कैन नॉट लीड बाय एग्जाम्पल। हम लोग लीड बाय एग्जाम्पल नहीं कर सकते हैं, राइट? अगर हमें लीड बाय एग्जाम्पल करना है तो हमें खुद भी हेल्थ कॉन्शियस बनना पड़ेगा। और विंजेरा डिसाइडेड कि एक ड्राइव फिटनेस की क्रिएट की जाए, और उस फिटनेस की ड्राइव को क्रिएट करने के लिए सो वी आर देयर विद फर्स्ट एवर विंजेरा फिटनेस सेशन. In this particular session, we have invited one of the person like who has been trained in a very good way is in martial art, और जिन्होंने मार्शल आर्ट का, जिनको बहुत ही कई सालों का तजुर्बा है मार्शल आर्ट्स का, और जिन्होंने सचिन गुरु कैटेगरी जो मार्शल आर्ट्स की होती है वो उसके फाउंडर भी हैं. दे हैव फाउंडेड द मार्शल आर्ट दैट इज सचिन गुरु, and very soon we will be learning fitness tips from the master, which I am going to invite very soon, from a master which are going to invite very soon out here. But before that I want to make few requests. मैं चाहता हूं कि we should attend this video with few do's and don'ts, जो शायद आपको पहले भी मिले होंगे. The first do's and don'ts is be there in this video with your video. करेक्ट, राइट? आप अपने वीडियोस के साथ में रहेंगे. इट इज बेटर. आई नो सम ऑफ यू मे बी अटेंडिंग दिस वीडियो बाय ट्रेवलिंग समवेयर और एट सम प्लेसेस, बट आई रिकमेंड यू टू बी देयर इन दिस सेशन विद योर वीडियो. मैं चाहता हूं कि आप अपने वीडियोस के साथ रहें, क्योंकि बड़ा यूनिक सेशन होने वाला है. और दूसरी चीज मैं चाहता हूं कि अगर आपके पास पॉसिबिलिटी है तो अपने आप को थोड़ा सा फ्री स्पेस दें, क्योंकि जो एक्सरसाइजेस आप अभी सीखोगे, और मैं चाहता हूं कि वो हम सब चाहते हैं कि वो एक्सरसाइज आप अपने साथ प्रैक्टिस भी करो, राइट? मतलब ये एक तरीके से सुनने वाला सेशन नहीं होना चाहिए, राइट? ठीक है, तो अगर आपके पास पॉसिबिलिटी है, इफ यू हैव अ पॉसिबिलिटी, आप अपने आसपास कोई एक फ्री स्पेस सर्च कर सकते हैं और अपने फोन को कहीं ना कहीं एक पर्टिकुलर प्लेस पे सेट कर सकते हैं. And by putting your phone at a proper place, what you have to do is you have to work out along with us, right? जो भी whatever things we learn out today, जो भी हमें टिप्स आज मिलेंगे, हमें उसको वर्कआउट भी करना है. एंड एट द लास्ट देयर विल बी क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर सेशन, राइट? लास्ट में हमें क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर सेशन करेंगे, और उस क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर सेशन में आप लास्ट के 5 मिनट्स 10 मिनट्स में आप कुछ क्वेश्चंस अगर पूछना चाहते हैं तो वो आप पूछ सकते हैं एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम बाय रेजिंग योर हैंड और बाय टाइपिंग इन द चैट बॉक्स. एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम आप उसको पूछ सकते हैं, right? So are you all ready for this particular session? Yes or no? Right? Are you all ready? Correct. So are you all ready with your workout space? मैं चाहता हूं कि आपका workout space भी आपके पास में ready हो. Correct? तो आप so should we start? So before starting out and before inviting him, I would love to share one video, right? Before I start, before I invite the master, the martial art master, Shihan Sarvanan. Sir, before I invite him, I will share one video out there with one of you before inviting him. And just a minute. Right. Okay. Right. So are you able to see out this video on your screen? Right. So with hopefully you would have gone through video and right. With all the excitement, with all the energy out there in the chat box, right? Let's invite Master Shihan Sarvanan sir out there in this meeting. Just in a while, in a span of 1 to 2 minutes, we are going to invite. Let us show our excitement for this WFS session by Shihan Sarvanan sir out there in this particular session, right? Okay. So with now I'm going to invite Mr. Shihan Sarvanan sir. Just 1 minute.
Thank you, Udit. Thank you very much to you all. Thank you, Vinzera and his team, Udit's team, for arranging this wonderful session. And I wish very all the very best for all the youngsters and all the people here who have gathered in this wonderful evening for a test and wonderful fitness now. So let me introduce myself. As Udit told, I'm the founder of Sachan Budo, and our academy is located in Chennai. And you can find a lot of details about me in sachanbudo.com. That details we will share it later at the end of talk and discuss about fitness session. Many people used to think, what is fitness? Fitness means it may be weight reduction or tummy reduction. People used to come to me also, sir, I want to become fit. For that, I need to reduce my tongue. Or some people used to say, I want to gain weight, or I want to put muscle. So, is the fitness is exclusively only for gym or athletics or any kind of activities? No, it's the fitness is all composite together. In martial art, we teach all those bases for fitness. Particularly, fitness comprises three things. One is stamina, another one flexibility, the third one is endurance. Without this stamina, endurance, and flexibility, one cannot do any activity. In our day-to-day life, also, it is very important. Apart from these three, once you attain these basics stronger, you will see your mind also coordinating with your body. So the thing is, when you coordinate your mind along with body, you'll find the spiritual level. That is the aim of any martial art. So let me introduce here myself, Shihan Saranan, and with me, Junior Master Chansi Rani Lakshmi Bai and Junior Master Bhagat Singh, who are going to demonstrate in this session. And hope you all enjoy this session along doing with us. We are not going to demonstrate anything extraordinary. Instead, we are going to teach the basics. As I told, three basics. That is, you have to warm up your body. Any activity, any exercise, before you do, you have to warm up. You have to shake up. So that is warm-up portion. That is to improve your stamina. So we need to improve our stamina. For that, this exercises. I'll teach you. I'm going to teach you today 12 exercises, 12 type of exercises. That is more than enough to improve your stamina. If you do those exercises every day, wherever you go, whether you may be in travel or you may be staying somewhere, if you spend 10 minutes, just 10 minutes, that'll be more than sufficient to sweat a lot. In fact, that will reduce your fat also. For weight reduction and to gain stamina, all those things, it will help. That only 12 type of exercises, that only 12 pounds. If it's possible, you can repeat it for 2 to 3 times. And then we go in depth into flexibility. Because without flexibility, one cannot be faster. A martial art usually people used to think that it's for fight. No, it's not for fight alone. As I told, it is the complete fitness. And as I told, it is the exercise to the mind. It gives focus, and more than that, it can be active in all aspects. So then flexibility, I'll be going to teach you around 36 types of flexibility, from eyes to complete body workout. It gives you complete flexibility. This flexibility exercises are applicable not only to martial arts, but also whether you may be doing yoga, or you may be an athlete, or you may be any other sports person. We can use these flexibility exercises exhaustively, because it is more than sufficient to bring our body completely flexible. Some flexibility exercises may be tough, apparently, in the beginning, but if you do this again and again, automatically you will tend to do more, and you'll see the change in your body as well as your mind. And then third, we go into endurance. That is, endurance means survival. Okay, those exercises, usually most of the new students used to face the toughness in endurance. But if you do this endurance, they definitely will be enduring all those things, and will become the toughest person. These are the three basics. As I told, one is stamina, another one flexibility, and then endurance. If you're good in these three, definitely we can build a strong building over that. These three are the basics for any martial art. These are the foundations to any martial art. I hope you might have some of you might have went any other martial arts also. That these things also will help you to enrich your knowledge and welcome you all to this wonderful session. Let's begin with warm-ups. I hope you all join us in this warm-up exercises. These are 12 exercises. Maybe you may feel tough, but at least try to follow us as many as you can. At least 10 counts. Okay, I'll repeat it again and again if you want that in clear picture. Now let's begin with a warm-up. First warm-up activity is ball foot run. Before that, hops. You know, hops, just jumping jack, hops and jumping jacks. Guys, let's join us together with Jhansi and Bhagat and myself. Now, hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, enough. Only 12 counts are enough. Now, next. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12. Now change sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now jumping jack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, now this is the next exercise is ball foot run. So you have to run in your ball foot, like same place. Doing. So let me show you how to do ball foot run. So from here, so you should do fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Make it faster. Move it faster. As much as you can. Do it faster. Ready? Start together. Slightly bend your body. 45-degree angle. Slightly bend your body forward. Okay, like this. And keep your hands like this. And you have to run faster. Ready? Together. All of you. Together. Slightly bend your knee and ball foot. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Relax. That's good. Now, knee raise. You have to raise your knee as much as you can up to your chest level. You have to lift up your knee up to chest. Say this much, at least this much. But you may, in the beginning, it may be less, but over a period of time, you can gain the height, momentum. Now, ready? Let's start. Knee raise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Come on, as much as high. Okay, good. That's good. Good. Some of you are doing a wonderful job here. And back tap. Now you have to bend your knee and tap back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, that's good. Now, single leg burpee. It's called single leg burpee. In martial arts, we used to do, usually single leg burpee comes with the palms down like this. But in martial arts, we used to clench and hold because that will strengthen our fist and also wrist. Okay, now single leg burpee. 40. So you have to single leg burpee, knuckles down, both your knuckles down, and bring your foot, okay, right foot in between both your hands. In between both your hands. Bring your right foot in between both your hands and back foot, knee straight. Your knee should not touch the floor. Face forward. Every time you jump, you have to face forward. Let me show you once. From here, so face forward and jump. And jump, jump, jump. Every time you should face forward. Come closer. Come closer. That's enough. Are you ready? Let's join with a single leg burpee. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For the beginner's purpose, I'm going very slow. Let's join. 6. Now face forward every time. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. See, this exercise will improve your flexibility to groin also. Groin flexibility and your arm strength, everything. And spine also, because you are every time you are facing upward, you are looking forward. 12. Now double leg. The same burpee you have to do with double leg. Same burpee you have to do with double leg. In this you have to jump both legs together and jump back. Jump both legs together and jump back. Same, hold your hand posture, same knuckles. Same knuckle posture, your hand. Brilliant. Start together. 1. See, while doing this, don't touch the floor with your knee or waist. Your knee, waist should not touch the floor. Ready? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, as much as you can. You have to bend your waist inside. You have to bend your waist inside and face upward. It's like a cobra pose. In yoga also cobra pose is there, no? So likewise, see, you have to press while bending, while jumping. Let me show you once. You have to, in this posture, you have to face upward without touching the floor, your knee or waist. So you have to jump up. So you have to go up and go up and here. 9, that's it. 10, 11, and one more. That's good. 12. Yes. Now climbers, mountain climbers. You might have heard. Some of you might have also went mountain climbers. The same posture we have to. We are doing in the floor. It's called mountain climbers. Strengthen your thighs and knee and your all shoulder and ankle business. Brilliant. Start together. See, now in this mountain climber, you hold your palms down. Both your hands, palms down. Just like holding the grip, just palms down. And you have to bend your knee and press. Let me show you once. Palms down. Now, like this. Keep both your knees straight, legs straight, and back push. And from here, you have to press 1 leg and 2. Right, left, right, left. Press to chest. Press to chest. This you have to do, move faster. See, you have to go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now all of you join with us. Mountain climbers. Come on, ready up. Now let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly, movement faster. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's good. Good. Up. Now 2 more exercises. Now the 11th one is squat with front kick. Usually you would have seen squat. Okay. This we are going to do with a martial art kick, front kick. You may or may not be going high kick, but just try with middle level. At least ensure that you are kicking somehow, some height. So you have to do this. Squat. Face forward. See, first, keep your, while doing squat, ensure many people used to commit mistake while doing squat. Squat, you have to do the best squat is to your shoulder level. Because in order to not to strain your knee, you should keep your foot shoulder level. That foot posture is see from here, you should close your foot and spread. Now spread. Okay, this is your shoulder level. Okay, from this level, if you sit down, you won't feel any strain. Okay, you can sit down and up like this. If the foot is not proper, you may feel the strain to ankle or knee. Some people used to complain, Master, I did squat, I'm feeling pain to my knees or ankle. The problem is posture. If you're committing anything mistake wrongfully, then the impact will be definitely strain or pain. Now, see, listen, let me show you once how to do this squat with front kick. Just observe once and then join. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, now side view. Chance in turn. Chance in back turn. Now see, observe the side view. 1. Say front kick, simple front kick. As much as you can. 2, 3. Okay, now all of you join with us. Face forward, Jansi. Now all of you join with us. Now keep a hand guarding like this. Keep a hand guarding like this, so that you can sit down comfortably. Okay, instead of holding down, keep a hand. Now, step up. 2, 3, 4. Come on, easy. 5. Come on, easy. See, while sitting down, don't bend your body forward. It will make your back strain. Okay, in squats, people used to complain that I'm feeling back pain if you do many squats. The problem is if you bend forward, the impact, the stress will go to back. So don't bend as much as you can. Keep your spine straight. Keep your spine straight. So in order to maintain the spine straight, we are keeping your hand upward. So it will make you balanced. I can see Barun Majumdar. Also, you're doing that same mistake. You can correct it by practice. Definitely, you're doing good job. A little bit with correction, you can do more. Brilliant. Start together. All of you, join us. 1. Come on, join us. 2, 3, 4. Easy. 5, 6. Keep changing every time. Right leg and left leg. 7, 8. Easy. 9. For my last 3 counts. 10, 11, and 12. Okay, fantastic. Good job. The last one is called reverse punch, or in Japanese term, it's called Gyakusuki. It improves your self-defense ability and gives you complete body workout. If one can able to punch 100 counts, we can say him is the best in stamina. It may be apparently looking very simple. Okay, this exercise may be apparently looking very simple, but if you do this, if you can able to do 100 power punch, you are the best in stamina. Okay, let me show you simple. Think is simple logic. You have to extend your left hand straight. You have to extend your left hand straight. See, left hand straight. Okay, like this. Keep it knife hand. Keep it knife hand. Left hand straight. Okay, clench your right hand fist to waist. Clench your right hand fist to waist. See, clench your right hand fist to waist. Okay, from here, see, you have to close the left hand and right hand punch. See, you have to extend, punch, and back. Punch, and back. Punch, and back. This in punching, for every time you have to exhale. You have to go. You have to go. You have to go. This speed will come automatically by practice. See, put your right leg back. All of you now join us. Just observe once. See, Jhansi and Bhagat are doing with right leg back and left hand straight. Now clenching the right hand to waist, and they are punching slowly. 1. See, punching slowly. 2, 3. Okay. Now imagine you are going to do a knockout. Imagine. Okay. You're going to do a knockout to knock a guy. Okay. To knock out a guy. How much power you need? Imagine, and give that much momentum and power. Try to give that much speed and power in your punch every time. Brilliant. Start together. All of you join us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, up. Yeah. Okay, fine. That's it. That's all, guys. These are 12 exercises. Now we have seen from hops to this reverse punch. If you do this repeatedly, definitely you will be good in stamina. These exercises, for the sake of practice, we had break now. Okay, with explanation and waiting period, all those things. But if you do this without break, okay, you will sweat a lot, and definitely you will see the change within a month or so. And next, we go to stretch. Okay, without flexibility, one cannot move faster. Okay, without flexibility, one cannot be active. Because maybe you may think master gym in gym kind of things. What is the difference between martial art and gym? Okay, there also is that comes under fitness. Yes, of course, gym is also a kind of fitness kind of thing. But the thing is, there you may lag in flexibility. You have to balance yourself in workouts, in gym workouts. When you do it machines, okay, your muscles will pump out, but the problem is flexibility may go down. Okay, to some extent. For that, you need to do elaborate flexibility exercise also. People used to miss those flexibility exercise while doing gym, okay, while with machines. So that's the problem. They may, because many students used to come from gym background. They may be practicing for years, like 3 years or 4 years. The only problem they face is lacking in flexibility, lack of flexibility. Usually, if anyone who is new, who can reach one particular level within 3 months, means the guy who is coming from gym background, they are reaching almost more than 6 months. But we are not discouraging to do gym. But you have to balance yourself with gym and fitness, other things, flexibility. Whereas, as I told in the beginning itself, flexibility involves not only muscle gaining or not only any particular activity, it is a complete fitness, flexibility, stamina, and endurance. And apart from that, mind. All those things together constitute complete fitness. So now let's go to flexibility exercises. From eyes to toe. See, for eye stretch, it's called eye stretch, side and forward and eyeballs. 3 stretch exercises I'll teach you now. These exercises, if you can able to do in the early morning, facing the sunrise, like 6 o'clock or 6:30, okay, in the morning, you can gain good vision. And if those who are having power problem, also that also will reduce. So you have to practice regularly in the morning time. This will help you a lot in your eyesight. Say first thing is you have to keep 2 fingers to your side, 2 fingers to your side, Johnson. 2 fingers to your side, and see, look right and left. Stretch as much as you can. Say stretch fully, and look to your right and left, right and left, right and left. This exercise you have to repeat it for 12 counts, and then eye lens. It improves your focus. That is lens. You know, eyes are working like lens. So it's see like this in the same line. You have to keep 2 fingers in the same line. One is near to nose between both your eyes, and another one outer. See, you have to look one. When I count 1, you should look at the closer one, and 2, you must look at the outer one. Say 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1. It improves your mind focus also. If you do this, if someone else is counting, definitely it will improve your focus also. That is in martial arts, you used to call agility and reflex, instantly reacting to things. And then the ball, there is rotating clockwise and anti-clockwise, eyeballs rotation. See, keep your hand to your waist and keep your body straight. Here you have to rotate eyeballs clockwise and anti-clockwise. So you have to completely rotate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Likewise, anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now these 3 exercises are more than enough for your eyes. If you do this in the early morning, the result will be very good. And then we'll go to next. Remember the sequence. Our stretch exercises are going through upper body to lower body, so that we can easily remember those stretches one by one. Say we have completed eye stretches 3. Now we'll go to next stretch. So you have to, for this portion, next stretch, you have to turn right and left, turn right and left, turn right and left, slowly and gently. Turn right and left. Like this, you have to do this for 8 counts, and then down. See, while doing this exercise, remember the mistake usually one may be committing is keeping spine bent. Your spine should not be bent. It is better to stand and do this exercise. If you're sitting, that's fine, but keep your back straight. Without, if you're keeping body bent, it will create a negative impact. So you have to, your body should be straight and upright and straight, and then turn. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And then the next one is down, up. As much as you can press down and up. Now 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 you have to rotate your heads. Head rotation. So you have to rotate clockwise, 8 counts. Clockwise, 8 counts. Rotate proper like this. And anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, these 3 exercises are enough for your neck. As I told, remember, please remember, for eyes, I taught you 3 exercises, and for neck, I taught you 3 exercises. Next, we go likewise gradually to arms. Okay, arms rotation. We'll start with arms rotation. Arms rotation, rotate clockwise, keeping both your arms straight. Don't bend your elbow. So keeping both your arms straight. Start 1, 2, together. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now reverse, counterclockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now shoulder. You have to rotate your shoulder, arms over. Now you have to rotate your shoulder proper like this. Gently and proper. You have to rotate. Our body should rotate like a robotic movement. Say 1, 2, all of it. Join us. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now counterclockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now drop down. Shoulder drop down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As much as you can raise and drop down. As much as you can raise and drop down. While doing this, keep your elbows straight as much as you can. Now forward. Say forward press and back. Forward press and back. Shoulder forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, these three exercises I taught you for shoulder and arms. And then next, now chest stretch. Chest for the arm swing. Arm swing for chest stretch. Swing. 1. Say observe. Just you have to as much as you can. Swing back freely and close. And again freely. For closing, keep it close and freely. 1, 2. Together. 3, 4, 5, 6. As much as you can. 7, 8. Okay, enough. Now next, you have to press to your right. Arms to your right. This will improve the flexibility to this joint muscles. Say forward muscles and back muscles, separate muscles are there. So you have to press, hold like this. 1, 2, keeping your elbow straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Likewise, change. See, the other hand. Gently, you have to keep your body straight and bend your left hand and hold and press in the elbow area. Press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Likewise. Next exercise, the same muscles. See, elbow bend, right hand elbow bend. Now hold it, hold the elbow and press as much as you can inside. Press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like a change. All these things, if you repeat it for 8 counts, that will give you a good result. See, hold it, press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now next one, the same, you have to back it. This is a flexibility in the back portion. See, extend your arms up, right hand up. See, bend back, the hand back side and hold your elbow like this and try to press to your back. You have to press to chest center. Center back. You have to press to center back. Now press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this, as much as you can, face straight. People used to do it like this. No, that's wrong because that will create strain to your neck and back. So keep it straight as much as you can. That will help you a good result. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now change the other hand. Left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now likewise, next exercise, extend your hand. Now we have covered this eyes, neck and shoulder hands portion. And then we have to cover the lower area. Say next one is extend your hand. This exercise is for the wrist and finger. Say hold it, clench your wrist, rotate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These exercises you can do even while working. Many of the software people who are getting tired, okay, while doing work, you can do this exercise easily, even at the place where you sit. Say rotate, keeping your spine straight. Now reverse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now see, palm up. Right hand, palm up. You have to hold and press. This will improve that this blood flow will increase this portion. Okay, you can see this portion stretched. And change. Left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now change likewise. Down. See, you have to press down. Now change again. See, the other 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, to improve your fingers strength and grip, so you have to clench as just tight and hold your clench and release it slowly. Hold your clench and release it slowly. As much as tight while clenching or releasing, you have to hold it tight. Okay, as much as tight and release it. Okay, now these upper body portions are over. Now we'll go to waist. Now we'll go to waist. So waist, you have to hold your arms to waist. So keeping your back straight, you have to rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the next exercise for the same waist. So spread your legs out. Spread your legs out. Now hold your arms up. Hold your arms up. Hold your wrist and bend to your right side. Bend to your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change. Do the same the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. Now close your legs together. Now close your legs together. Keep your arms up. Now bend down. Side. See, you have to bend down, keeping body straight and arms up. Now bend down. 1, 2, 3. As much as you can, you have to press your forehead to knee. Your forehead should touch your knee. That's very important because it will improve your flexibility to your back, lower back, spine, and your thigh muscles also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. Now, many of you may be feeling difficult in this, but some of you may be doing better, and some of you may not be able to press proper. But with practice, definitely it will come one day. And likewise, back bend as much as you can. You might have seen these exercises in yoga also. Okay, Ardha Chakrasana or Chakrasana. Okay, all those things. So you have to bend back. You don't need to bend fully unless you have that prior flexibility. Otherwise, you can bend as much as you can. Even a half bend is enough. But they're going to Jhansi and Bhagat, since they are the junior masters, they're going to bend fully. Now bend back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up. Now get up. Again, hands up and bend down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, see, as you can bend this back like slightly, at least. Okay, there are see, like slightly like this. This much is enough. So you can bend at least this much. That will be more than enough. And bend forward. Okay. Now, the next waist exercises. Waist turn. Waist turn. 1. Turn your waist turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this, people usually used to commit one mistake in this waist turn. Keeping foot static, okay, keeping foot static and twisting your waist will lead to strain to your knee. Okay, so for that, you need to slightly move your foot along with your waist. Okay, ball foot rotation like. Say, let me show you how to do. Now slowly foot rotate. 1. Say like this. 2. Turn and rotate. 3. Now turn and rotate. Stop. 4. Now turn and rotate. You have to say the footwork. Okay, this will help you to prevent injury to your knees. Okay, back. So concentrate over your footwork also while doing this twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As much as you can turn and look back. 6, 7. Okay, up. This will squeeze your back and make your hip and other areas flexible. Apart from this likewise we have to do lower exercise. Lower. As you have seen from eyes to 1 by 1 portion, we have all covered till waist. Now we have to go to legs. Leg workout. So you have to stand up and stretch your knee to chest. Press your knee. So you have to lift up and hold your knee and balance. It's like Ekapadasana. It's a single leg posture, or Vrikshasana in yoga also. Okay, this way you can improve your focus also. It gives you more focus and balance to your body. If you can stand for at least 1 minute in this posture, you have good balance in your body as well as mind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now change. Do the same side view. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, good. That's good. Drop down. Now do the same to your back. Back press. So you have to hold your right leg and back. Keep your arms straight. The other hand should be straight to your shoulder level. Because to keep our body straight, we are keeping our hands straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now change. The other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, up. Now next, groin stretch. Say right leg forward, and press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, change. While doing this, keep your body straight. Don't bend forward. Body straight, body straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, good. Till this, we can wrap up this stretch flexibility area. We can cover in later again this in elaborately. More exercises are there while sitting in posture and lie down posture. Just for the sake of knowledge, let us our Jhansi and junior masters perform these things. Let us watch few exercises. Okay, it may be apparently seem tough, but if you do this regularly by practice, you will gain it. Jhansi T stretch, go down T stretch. 45 degrees. Come closer. Now go down. Press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just slowly. You don't need. You may not be able to attain this overnight, but it may take time, even months. Okay, together. But if you do this proper, slowly, you will gain that perfection. See, while doing this, keep your toe up and right side bend. 1, 2, 3, right side bend. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change. Now left side bend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's a little bit advanced. So that's why we are just demonstrating. We will cover it up again later. Now hold both your toes. Bend forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now change. Now everybody can do this next exercise. Close your legs together. While sitting in sitting posture. Okay, you have to hold your toe. Try to grab your toe and bend forward. Touch your knee with your forehead. Press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, good. That's good. Now change. Bend to butterfly. Press butterfly. 1, 2. It's called butterfly stretch. You have to swing in this posture and close your heels to groin as much as you can. Press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.